right. I'm doing a little hack for my neighbor. We're trying to get him license plate bracket, so we're gonna use a Skil. Okay. Okay, go right there. And okay, it wasn't too painful. Get the zip ties here. Okay, go that way. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Might have to put one down there too. So. Okay. Put it up right here. Okay, Walmart Hyper Tough. Mint pliers and the Skil brushless left side driver. Alright, stop it. Get some more to the video.